Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use camera control button as magnifier or QR code scanner on iPhone 16. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap Camera. Tap Camera Control. By default, you will see camera under Choose a gesture to open the camera app. You can select Code Scanner or Magnifier. Select one, then go back to Settings and close Settings app. Now pressing the camera control button on any screen will launch Magnifier or QR code scanner. So these are the steps to change camera control button as magnifier or QR code scanner on iPhone 16. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.